Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a intro on VideoPad by NCH Software. Now I'm using the demo version so it won't be as good. So first of all, we got to go on the green screen and then there we go. Then shall we do that? No, I quite like that. Okay, so that is the intro so far. Now I am actually going to post this book as my intro. So basically I'm just showing you how to make my own intro, which is pretty cool. So I don't do any of these yet. I go into Hue. Then I go on Cycle. And then it's supposed to be like that, you see? Then when you go into green screen, you go over to here. Now I like the color blue, so we're gonna go with blue. Yes. But then we'll have to go back down here. And then we'll have to get rid of that for a sec. And then look, very easy to use. And now, basically now what we're going to do, we're going to go on video effects, the same thing. If you want, you can do that, you can do that, you can do that. But I like doing the shake and the motion blur. So then you can actually do that. And I'm going to do 200. Okay, so then we can do that. Then it'll be a little blurry. I want to do unacceptable character, please until that's sad. No. Okay, that's a bit sad. Okay, but now it's actually changing colours. That's gone a bit fuzzy, which is what I wanted it to do. Then do I want to do scale? You can always delete these anytime. Like, for me, I don't really want the scale. I like doing shake because it always stays like that. And it's just really cool. But for me, shake isn't enough. We are going to do that one split screen. We're not going to do that. You can always change this, but like, I don't know. Should I do that? But what I like to use is... Where is it? Is this. So then, I like having the strength up, the width up, and then I like giving it a bit of a blue tint. But that one's green, so let's just do that. And don't you worry, this will do a lot of good things. Then if you want, you can always add the shake in. But for me, that's like really annoying. So let me. Oh, hi Lucy. What are you doing? I'm recording. Want to say hi into the mic? Hi. Come closer. Hi. Okay, she's okay. Goodbye then. She's quite annoying. Okay, so then I like to do waves. And some. I'm gonna lower that speed. And then if you want, you can do like higher waves. For me, that's not catching. And you can do that, but like I don't really like them. So we're gonna actually do only like a bit of waves, but like I don't know. So yep, that's that. And then if you want, you can always do that. Tint. I like doing tint, but I'm not gonna do it on this one. Then I also do like the glow. And if you also really want, you can also do double image. I see that. Where is it? Mirror. I like to do that sometimes. It's so funny though. But I'm not going to like do that. What I like to do is that, yeah. That's just gross. Okay. Okay. Rotate. Let's do it like that. But then I like doing. Wait, which one do I like to do? Tints. I love the sharpen, but I'm not gonna do that on this one. Dots. It's cartoon. Look, this cartoon one is actually pretty weird. Which is why I never use cartoon. So basically that's what I've been doing. Okay, so now the glowiness. Okay, we're gonna glow a bit. So basically now we have to do that, which actually changes it. So now the music that I put on is in speed. So basically now what I do, and oof, my controller as well, I get Bandicam because this one won't allow you to actually, like, actually type it or just get rid of the thing. I need to get out Bandicam, my good pal, Bandicam. Then Bandicam, I can get rid of these bits. I can also like speed up, so that's pretty cool. Oh wait, oh no. I just remembered something. If now the screen is changing colour, that's cool. And my mic keeps on going away for some reason. Okay, so now basically this is like a different editor that I use most of the time. Okay, then we go intro. Another jumper rod, intro. There we go. And then we get this one right here. Then we're going to trim it just a little to there. You see, guys? See? And then we can use like 3D effects such as like, nah. 3D effects that won't look odd. So like, I don't know, plasma sparks. No, that still shows. That's sad. Like, I'm really hungry, even though I just had like 3 sandwiches, so that's bad. There we go. We'll just, do that. And then let's turn down the volume for this. It may look weird because it's like the sidebars and stuff, but that's completely normal. Let's do zoom in size. And then let's do filters. Classic, I love classic. Seriously, Pixel looks so weird. Oh, adventure. Okay, there we go. Then we need to add text. Scary H.H. Jamal. Boom. Boom. All that. Fresh. Pixel. Joy. Adventure. Chilled. Electric. We have to go boom. Okay, well, that's beautiful. Now, as you can see, that's basically like a complete intro. So that's how you do it, and goodbye!